How to become a millionaire. Not making huge risks, jumping into hyper stocks, ignoring the long term plan. Fast money thinking leads to fast losses. No researching the company, getting in too late, buying because everyone else in the media says is the next big thing. This almost always lead and buying high and selling low. This the diversification protects you. Trading without a plan, just wing it. Don't set stop losses. Don't know when to take profits. Buy emotionally and sell emotionally. Ignore risk management. This includes no maximum, no maximum limits, no portfolio balance, no cash reserves. Risk management is more than picking winners, not thinking long term. Most millionaires in the stock market thinking long term, investing consistently, holding good companies, getting compound interest due to work, not by gambling. You can go through every mistake people warn about, hit. They finally discover the one thing that actually works. Consistent investing, holding good companies when prices are low. How I lost money chasing the millionaire mode in the stock market. The turning point, COVID market rush. Prices were too low, fair everywhere. I slowed down, student changed strategy, began investing consistently, buying solid companies, not hype. The recovery, the market bounced back. My pension paid off. I learned what actually works in the long run. Lessons for listeners. Something like you don't need millionaire mode. You need patience, consistency, and quality investments. Today, I want to share one thing. I bought my first stock. I wish someone had told me before I ever bought my first stock, because before I learned how to invest the right way, I made every mistake you could possibly make in the stock market. Everything, every single one. And honestly, those mistakes cost more money, time, and a lot of confidence. But the twist, those some mistakes led me to a turning point, one that happened during COVID, when the entire stock market crashed and finally learned how actually works. Let's get into it. Honestly, the market wasn't my enemy. My mindset was. That's when things started to change. The reality check. There's nothing like losing money to force you to slow down, to pay attention. I realized something important. Trying to get rich fast is the fastest way to go broke. I knew I needed a different approach. I needed a strategy. I needed a patience. I needed to invest, not to gamble. But I didn't commit to that idea until the world changed. The COVID market crashed. When COVID hit, everything crashed. The market went down hard. People panicked. A lot of investors ran for the exit. But for the first time, I didn't chase hype. I didn't panic. I didn't react emotionally. I stopped. I paid attention. Prices were low, historically low. Strong, solid companies were suddenly available at big discounts. And that's when something clicked on my brain. This is the moment people talk about when they say real wealth is built during downturns. I made a decision that changed everything. I started investing consistently week after week. Month after month, I focus only on good companies, business with real earnings, story balances, balance sheets, and long-term value. and I held. No flipping, no chasing, no panicking. For the first time, I was investing, not gambling. The recovery and the losses, as the market slowly recovered, something happened. My patience start paying off. My consistency start paying off. Holding good company start paying off. And I realized it wasn't luck, it wasn't timing, it wasn't hype, it was discipline. All these mistakes I made before. They taught me everything I needed to understand. You don't win by chasing trends. You win by buying quality. You win by holding. You win by being consistent, especially when everyone is afraid. That's how I made it to the millionaire.